Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. Your Windows 10 PC not meeting requirements to install Windows 11? No worries, here's the fix. In this tutorial, let me show you how to bypass the requirements to install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. Without further delay, let's get started. First, let me show you this Windows 10 system properties. In this system, Windows 10 Pro installed, and the processor is Intel Core i5, and RAM is 4 GB only. Now let's run and check Windows 11 Installation Assistant to the eligibility of this system to install Windows 11. For that, open Web Browser, search for Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on the first link, Download Windows 11. Here you can see that Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on Download Now. Now you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant is downloaded. Click and run it. Now you can see that it shows this PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements to install Windows 11. Here, to get more details, click on PC Health Check app. This will download PC Health Checkup Installer. Click and run it. Okay, now the PC Health Check window is opened. Here, click on Check Now to check this meet the requirements or not. Now it's showing that this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Below, you can see what all OK or not OK. It shows here this PC must support Secure Boot. Also shows TPM 2.0 must be supported and enabled on this PC, and the processor shows not supported, and rest all show OK. Now just close these windows and go to Windows 11 download page again. Scroll down, download Windows 11 ISO from here. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for 64-bit devices. Click on Confirm. Select Product Language. I choose English International. Click on Confirm. Here, click on 64-bit Download. Now the Windows 11 25H2 ISO started downloading. This download time will take as per system and internet speed, so just wait for until get it finish. Okay, now the download is completed. Now in the web browser, search for FlyOBE. In the search result, click on the first GitHub link. Here, just scroll down and right you can see FlyOBE 2.4, just click on it. Here, scroll down to bottom and under Assets, click on FlyOBE app.zip. Now you can see that FlyOBE zip file downloaded. Now go to the downloaded folder, right-click FlyOBE app folder, and click on Extract Files. Okay, now the FlyOBE app is extracted here. Now just open the folder, right-click FlyOBE, and click on Run as Administrator. Click under Upgrade to Windows 11, click on Details. Click on Run here. This will open FlyOBE 11 window. Here, select the ISO file which we downloaded before. Click on Select ISO from Local Computer. Then select the ISO from the downloaded location. Now the message pop-up shows that Windows 11 installation can now proceed. Please follow the instructions in the step window. Click OK. Now Windows 11 setup window is opened. Here it is showing Windows Server Setup. No worries, this is just bypassing Windows 11 requirements options. Here you can change Windows Update options. Here I selected Download Updates option. Click on Next. Here it is checking for updates. Now it's checking for the PC. License Agreement. Click on Accept. Here it is asking choose what to keep. There is 3 options. One is keep files, settings, and apps. Second one is keep personal files only. Third one is nothing. If you want to keep your all files, settings, and apps, select first option. Click on Next. Now it's checking for updates. Just wait for some times to get it finish. Now it is showing making sure ready to install, and now it is making sure there is enough memory on your PC. Now here in this window it is showing ready to install. Selected shows Windows 11 Pro and keep files, settings, and apps. Now click on Install to proceed the installation. Now the Windows 11 installation is started. This will show here installing Windows Server. No worries, it just bypassed Windows 11 requirements. That's why it is showing installing Windows Server. Actually, it's installing Windows 11 only. Okay, now the Windows 11 installation completed. Now it's working on Windows updates. Just wait for until get it finish. Now the updates are done and you can see the Windows 11 login screen. Okay, I will enter the password. Okay, login is success. Now let's see the system properties. Same configuration and good news that it's upgraded to Windows 11 latest version 25H2 and installed on 12 February 2026. Now just check Windows updates are getting or not. Click on Windows Update here. Click on Check for updates. Now you can see that it is getting latest Windows updates from Microsoft. Updates are downloading. Now some of the updates are installed and some are still downloading. That means there is no issue for getting latest updates from Microsoft. Great! That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.